Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put these shelves, put your finger the right way, shelves in the top of those rafters. They don't need to be insulated because the warmth is down here and it needs to move up and touch that floor. So we don't need to insulate that for the loft for warmth, and so it makes a great storage solution. So it makes a great storage solution in a tiny house, and I'm excited to show you how I did it. So stay tuned. Oh, and the nice thing is I'm doing this by myself, so I'm getting these up by myself, so I have a little trick where I add those little sticks at the end to hold it up while I'm getting the rest of the screws in. I am going to pretty it up. We're going to do some extra stuff here. The storage is important though, so we're going to get storage in. Okay, well, there we have it. We have a little bit of tin up on that shelf, and I'm gonna watch it really carefully. I probably am just gonna have to move this candle, period. But I thought it would be fun to show you guys that. And we have more shelving here. I need to finish plastering in those areas as well, but I'm really trying to get rid of furniture that takes up a lot of space in the walking area. So we have ebooks over on our Etsy store for goats, pigs, rabbits. We're getting the gardening book up now. We also have the chicken book and homemade soap recipes. Make sure to go check that out if you're interested in spinning wheels. We have my favorite spinning wheels there too. My favorite is the hopper. Catherine has it right now over at I always screw it up. Little Bits of Heaven Homestead. Okay, so this was the first shelf we put up, this one right here. And it looked an awful lot like this one over here. I absolutely love it. I love having those small containers that can be pulled down. And it's headspace that is not necessary for anything else. John can walk in here just fine. And so we've got those added in, and I'm super excited to get some things put into them and then clear out more cupboard space in other areas so that we don't have bins up in storage anymore, but we have more of our usable stuff down here, readily accessible, not having to climb up and down those somewhat precarious stairs to get into what we need to. It smells like bananas in here because of the dehydrator. And I'm about to go and play with Darwin and Melanie over at the Honeydew Carpenter, so make sure to go check them out. They built my stove. They're building a whole bunch of aircrete projects that are off-grid wonderfulness. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy that, and we'll talk to you later.